children, today we are going to learn class 3rd science lesson number 10 light, sound and force. Okay, today we are going to see the explanation on the page number 81. Now today we are going to learn about the force. F-O-R-C, force. Any kind of push or pull is known as a force. Any kind of push or pull, any kind of that force means that is known as a force. You can see this, the pushing up table, the boy is pushing the table, it is pushing front. Okay, I am pushing this pen, it will go front. Okay, and pulling, I am pulling the pen towards me. Okay, whatever pulling, it is known as a towards, near to you, that is known as a pulling. Okay, any kind of push or pull, it is known as a force. You can see here example. When we push or pull something, we apply force and do the work. Force can do many things. Whenever we are doing the pushing or pulling, that is known as a force, otherwise work done. Force can do many things. Force can do the many things. Force can make an object move. Force can make the object move. It can make the object move. Force can make a moving object go faster or slower. If the car is going, toy's car is going, means if you want to stop, means we can stop that car. And next one, force can make a moving object go faster or slower. If you are playing the bat ball game, okay, then cricket game, then how you are, if you are throwing the ball fast, means it will go fast. If you are throwing the ball slow, means it will go slow. Force can make a moving object stop. Whatever moving object it is there, force can make it is to stop. Force can make a moving object to change its direction. Whenever this ball will touch to this bat, it will bat will hit the ball, then it will change its direction. Force can change the shape of an object. Force can change the shape of an object. Different kinds of forces. There are a muscular force. Okay, when Mona cycles, her muscle push the pedal. If the pushes harder, the cycle goes faster. If she pushes less, the cycle slow down. What will be happening? Mona will go by this cycle. Her muscles push the pedal. Whenever you are applying the muscular force, means you have to push that pedal by your muscles. If you are pushing fast, means the cycle will go fast, and if you are pushing slowly, the cycle will go slow. The Mona uses her muscular force to make the cycle starts go faster or slower. Then Mona is using her muscles. Okay, if fast means she will put the fast, slow means she will make it slow. That is known as she is using their muscular force. Next, electrical force. When we switch on a machine or a fan, when you are going to switch on the machine or fan, it starts receiving the supply of electricity. What will happening? It will start the receiving the supply of the electricity, which make it move. This movement is because of the electrical force. Now you are applying in the here, you can take the fan example, and you can take the mixer, grinder, that is also one example, good example. Okay, next one, magnetic force. If you have bring a magnet near the pile of iron filings, if you are getting the magnet, okay, near to the iron pile, you will notice that the cycling cleaning to the magnet, it will attract to the magnet. The magnet attracts the iron fillings. The magnet will attract the iron filling. This is called as a magnetic force. This is called as a magnetic force. Gravitational force. When we drop a ball or any other things from the roof of a building, if you are throwing anything from the roof of the building, okay, it falls to the earth. It will go through the earth only. This is because of the gravity. This is due to the gravity. Gravitational force is the force with which the earth pulls or attracts all the object towards it. Gravitational force means what, children? The earth will attract all the object towards down. That is known as a gravitational force. I hope you understood this, children. Now today's homework is you have to read this all. Keywords. Source, from where something starts. Revolves, moves around. Noise, unpleasant sound. Force, any kind of push or pull. It is known as a force.